Hey, so last week I showed you how to take a logo or a brand outside of a JPEG. So pretty much like making sure it has like a transparent background. So I figured I would kind of do the Illustrator version of that today. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get into it. Let's say you received a PDF from a client or brand that you're partnering with or working with, and you're needing to make sure that their brand is transparent so that, or parts of it are transparent so that you can use it for print. So I always make a copy of the original PDF that I received, and then you're gonna open that in Illustrator. And so I always select everything just to kind of get a quick glance of what's going on. I'll move it around just to make sure there's like nothing funky in the background, and just put that back in there. So I can tell right here that this is still able to be edited. So we need this to be a shape. Whenever you highlight it like this, you can go to type and go to create outline. And so now that is all outlined. So from this point, and so you can see I keep like selecting it all because that can happen. So you want to make sure that you're selecting everything before you start moving things around. And we're wanting the white to be knocked out of the circle. So from here, I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to grab my shape builder tool, and then holding down the option, you can see like the little plus and negative sign. So making sure you hold down option, the negative sign, you're removing the white from the object behind it, which is our circle. All right, from here, so I know that as soon as I hit unite, like it's gonna put whatever color is in here. So I'm gonna click on the background object so it loads that color, and then I'm going to select everything, and then I'm gonna hit unite. And then now this is all one object and it has a transparent. We've knocked out all the white from it, so that's got a transparent background. So from here, you just go File, Save, and now this file is ready for print. You could also bring this into Photoshop, right click, open with Photoshop, and it's gonna have the transparent background there for you to